Hello, so today we're gonna go over the basics of how you can create a executable SH file. What is an SH executable? So you typically sometimes need to run apps using the terminal, the bash terminal, this thing. Like for example, if I downloaded Wine and I can't see it, I need to go Wine, select my apps folder, click on body, and drag that exe file into here. That allows me to run it. Now, if I don't want to do that always, there is a way to skip that. So first, I'm gonna leave that terminal right there where it is. We're gonna create a new document. Name it anything you want. I'm gonna name it body.sh. The reason why we're calling it sh first is so that Linux determines that it's an sh file. After that, you can launch it. Boom. You can also configure it here, but I'm gonna leave it as is. So first, you will need to give me a moment. Yes, I typed this all in a script. So first you're gonna need to type in bin/bash, that's it, and save the file. Now you can take your command, make sure nothing is selected, so you can then select everything and then copy it, and in a new line, I typically leave like one line space, paste it. Oh god dang. So is it that? No. Hold on. Sometimes the terminal just doesn't like me and, you know, does things like that. Oh, there we go. Just use the arrow keys or something. Then you can select everything and Control, Shift, and copy. So T, and then Control and paste. So B. So that is typically enough, but sometimes there are applications that need you to keep them open, like the terminal open. What you want to do there is rather, if it works, type in wait. If wait doesn't work and it still closes or throws an error at you, you want to go with lowercase sleep infinity. That's it. Is there supposed to be a dash or line there? Give me a second. No, it's just that. So because Wine doesn't need that, I'm just gonna keep it like that. That's it. That's all you need. So you can save this and close it. Now we're gonna make it executable. I'm gonna remove all of this and go into the desktop. This is necessary if the file is on the desktop. Give me a moment. There it is. You type in cd, this tilde icon, a desktop uppercase, not lowercase, or else it's just gonna say not found. Desktop. You can also make a folder and just say cd tilde slash that folder. Should work. Then it's gonna give you this interesting so say text in here. As you see, there's no text here, but there's a text here. You're now walking, so say, inside the desktop. Now we're gonna make the file itself executable so that it doesn't automatically open the text editor for that file. Basically, it's called chmod. You want to type chmod plus x, and then the name of your file, including the sh.sh thing. Of course, space, then baldi.sh. That should be it. Yep. If it throws you an error, you typed it wrong, or just pick a better tutorial than mine, I guess. That should be it. Now, if you close it and double click it and run in terminal or run, you usually want to go run in terminal first because it shows you errors. If you're sure it works, just click on run. I'm gonna run in terminal. And boom, it works. So after that, you can rename your folder and remove the sh part. Name it into anything you want, really. And then you can go into properties if you want to change the logo, the icon of it. You can click on browse. This might be a little different on specific Linux distros. If you can't find that, you can just simply search for a tutorial on how to change the icon of a specific application on one specific Linux distro. But for now, I'm gonna take my PNG, take this, and boom, we have a fully working executable. I've made about 3 already. This an Android emulator, the game Nothing, and the game Baldi's Basics. If I run, it's not gonna show me a terminal. You just wait and boom, works exactly as you'd expect from an .exe file.
Welcome to Baldi's.
Everything works as expected. So yeah, I really hope this helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing and liking, because I put real effort into these videos.